Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix VAN81 error in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, if you see the error message Valorant has encountered a connection error, click on Quit. Now, open the Start menu and type services.msc. Then click on the Services app from the results. Scroll down and find the service named VGC. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, then click OK. After that, right-click VC again and select Start. Next, open the Start menu again and type msconfig, then click on System Configuration. Go to the Services tab and check the box for Hide All Microsoft Services. Now scroll through the list and ensure the VGC or Vanguard service from Riot Games is checked. Click Apply, then click OK. Finally, restart your computer. This process ensures Vanguard is set up correctly and runs at startup, resolving the VAN81 error that blocks Valorant from connecting properly. So that's basically how you can fix VAN81 error in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.